Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel where skincare is all about progression over perfection because perfection doesn't exist. It's that awkward time between Christmas and New Year, so I thought I'd just do something pretty chilled, pretty relaxed, and I thought we'd take a look at some of the weirdest things, some of the worst things I should say, I've seen on the beauty side of TikTok this month alone. Let's get right into it. My screen's down here, I'm going to be watching with you. This is one of the weirdest / most terrifying attempts at selling something that I think I've ever seen. It sounds weird, but watch this. So if you don't know who that was in that video, that is Sunny Sandler, Adam Sandler's daughter. I was gonna say wife then. She doesn't look like this. She doesn't look like that. She looks like this. This is what she looks like, a normal picture of her without this weird smudged, retouched thing going on. It's so bizarre. And these kind of like picture carousel things are so common on TikTok, right? They're usually selling like a supplement or lead you to some TikTok shop product or those annoying toner pads that I'm going to do a whole separate video on. But this one is just weird. I'll get to the obvious reason last, but when you go to the very end there, they say, I've been using this Avea hair growth spray and July Tiger Biotin just 2 to 3 times a week. It's been a total game changer. You immediately think that these are going to be on Amazon, right? They're going to have some affiliate link in the description, but they just don't. Like, this profile leads to nowhere other than telling you to go to Amazon. So kind of like, what's the point, right? There's no affiliate kickback here. And these products do exist. I can see them now on Amazon. So people think one of two things. When I saw this, right, it was 11 p.m. I was in bed. It was dark. This scared me because I thought it was some kind of new ARG type thing, which is an alternate reality game, which is usually done on platforms like TikTok. And it turns into like this big story because who is that woman? Who is she? She is terrifying. And this is either really bad AI or someone's like really poorly retouched their skin. So the pictures of the woman, the after pictures are obviously AI because, you know, they're just so obvious. The backgrounds don't make sense. You know, that bread doesn't make sense. The boat things, the decorations in the background of that boat picture don't make sense either. But what is going on with the skin? Like, why would you post that and think that's normal? So I thought, first of all, that these pictures of Adam Sandler's daughter actually existed. And now I'm trying to find them online and I can't find them anywhere. So I just find it really bizarre that there are plenty of pictures of Adam Sandler's daughter online, yet they've done some kind of weird AI thing with it and smudged her. I don't know. It's really, really terrifying and really, really weird. Unless this is the brand's attempt at driving traffic to their product. But when you go back on their profile, it's getting less and less weird. They're skipping out on these weird smudgy filters. So I don't know what's going on, but I just came across this and it's got a really kind of like niche community behind it now because only certain people, like not many people have stumbled across this weird profile yet. But I had to show you that because that scared the shit out of me. Either just somebody who doesn't think that looks weird or a new ARG or just AI gone very, very wrong. Let's stick on the topic of AI for now. And I just want to show you this video from Jess Hines 904. Watch this. And then I have a screenshot for you that I want you to look at very, very carefully.
Okay, so I need to know if I'm going crazy, but one, yes, I'm watching the Kardashians. Don't judge my taste in trash TV. But two, in this clip I'm about to show you, it literally looks like Khloe, her smile or her face is AI, and it's tripping me out. So she looks normal at first. Just watch. It'll change.
Just wanted to say good luck.
Here it goes.
On doing your podcast.
No, she didn't.
It's after this. She looks normal here.
Yes, I did. I have a camera crew. Who told me?
That's so nice of them.
Well, good luck at the Met Ball.
Here we go.
We can't wait to see how everyone looks. That's the fun.
Doesn't she look weird? Oh my gosh, even her teeth. That's so weird.
Okay, so to summarize that was a scene from the Kardashians program, whatever they call it nowadays. Now, we know they've used filters in their reality series before. We've caught them glitching before, even fake tears used in the Kardashians. Have a look at this screenshot of this clip from that clip I just showed you. This is Khloe Kardashian filming her podcast, and look how obviously AI this is. First of all, like the TikToker said, this does not look like her. This doesn't look like her at all. Not only that, we go to her microphone where her podcast logo is. It doesn't say anything. It's that weird font that ChatGPT or whatever AI they use nowadays. I don't think ChatGPT does video, I don't know. It's that weird font that it just creates because it can't do real writing, right? And it's on her cue card too. Along that cue card, look how weird her hands are. So then we come down to the bottom of the screen, right? Have a look at this brand in front of her. You cannot read that. That says absolutely nothing. However, this is Khloe Kardashian's brand, Cloud. It's her protein popcorn, and she seems to have some kind of like flask thing there as well. Clearly AI. Like what the fuck is that? That doesn't look like anything. It's so weird. So clearly what they've done here, in my opinion, oh, you could also see the waist on her jeans just doesn't make sense either. What they've clearly done here is completely forgotten to add like a sponsored segment or a product placement for her brand and just shoved it in here using terrible AI. Like, what's the point in advertising your product using AI if no one can actually see what the product fucking is? It's so weird. So weird. I've been trying to find this for the longest time. I swear that Kris Jenner, I think it was maybe just before Christmas, posted a completely AI video sponsorship for Sungboon Editor. I swear, because it just looked crazy. It looks so weird. I swear I screen recorded it. I think it was on her story, so it's gone now, or it was on her main page and she deleted it. I don't know. But she did stay on the topic of the Kardashian Jenners. She did do an advert for Sungboon Editor recently, and it's a fucking mess.
Lately, I'm obsessed with this rejuvenating duo by Sungboon Editor. Let me tell you, I just got home from work. I'm about to take off my makeup, relax a little bit, and I'm so looking forward to putting this mask on. The Sungboon Overnight Mask has 2 ppb of collagen and peptides, which help to give me that glow on my skin. I don't just use it on my face. I also apply the smaller pieces to my neck for extra nourishment and neckline care. So after about 4 hours, the mask turns clear because the low molecular collagen has absorbed into my skin. It's so beautiful and full. Look at the volume. This is absolutely fantastic. I love this serum from Sungboon Editor. I love to put it under my eyes.
Wait.
I love this serum from Sungboon Editor. I love to put it under my eyes and smile lines. What makes it so special is it has 5% volafuline from France and collagen. It's just beautiful. I love the way this feels. I can't do my night routine without the Sungboon Editor Rejuvenating Skincare Duo. The Deep Collagen Power Boosting Mask. And then the Deep Collagen Power Boosting Cream in Serum. My new favorite thing.
So obviously we know the Kardashians do a lot of sponsorships and they don't always actually use what they're advertising. I think it's very obvious here because first of all, she gets the brand name wrong. Sungboon Editor, it's Sungboon Editor. And we know that she got one go at this. We know that they charge one attempt. They can't ask for any redos because I bet she costs an absolute fucking fortune. So Sungboon Editor are probably like, shit, there's nothing we can do, she's got her name wrong, whatever. I also find it crazy that she loves these products so much, which by the way, they're actually amazing products. That serum is incredible, but I love the way Kris Jenner says she loves it and you can still see they're sealed, like she's not touched them at all. And she's talking about how they're her new favorite before she's even opened them, and then continues to go on and talk about them like she's used them for the first fucking time. It is absolutely fine to take on a sponsorship for a product and say it's your first time using it if that's what you want to do. I will do this with brands I already know and love and can tell that their next product is going to be good, or it's my first time using it off camera, I like it, my skin didn't react to it, so then I'll be like, you know what, let's do the sponsorship, but I am going to say it's still early days, it's my second time using it, whatever. You don't have to pretend that everything is your favorite go-to must-have product. You can just be like, these products are really nice, so far so good. She also mentions how she uses the spare parts on her neck and she just doesn't. Like she doesn't. She didn't. She doesn't. She was just reading a very obvious script. I've worked with Sungboon Editor and I feel like the script was a very standard, like the information they give you. And then you kind of add your own flow to it and your own opinions and your own results. But it does sound like she's just reading off a script. But it's whatever. The Kardashian Jenners. What more do you expect? We all know I have my issues, gripes with TikTok shop sellers, and it's not because they're selling stuff. Earn your money, but do it with honesty and do it normally. Sell products that you love or you find interesting without sensationalizing everything you do. I want to show you the latest viral TikTok shop product that isn't viral because no one's talking about it other than people selling it. This is some kind of gua sha-esque brush.
Do you see this? And do you see this? Just wait. For the hooded eyes, you just take it over the eyelids and drain up into the forehead. For under eye puffiness, you want to go like this in a sweeping motion to help the muscle right here drain the lymphatic fluid away from like your eyes and orbital area. And then for any congestion or puffiness here in the nose, you just want to brush it out into the sinus passageways in your cheek. Let's see this reveal. Oh my god. Look at how hooded and puffy that eye is. There's so much puffiness here on the side of my face. This one's like tight. That's insane of a difference. If you have hooded eyes, grab yourself one of these. Better yet, grab two, because then you can do both sides of your face simultaneously and just make it faster.
Okay, on to the next one.
Ready? Instant facelift. You see how droopy and puffy all this is? Like, I could do some more because I'm still pretty puffy. It makes such a huge difference in just a few seconds.
And we have this one as well, which I'll just fast forward, show you silently. He's doing the exact same thing, removes his hand, and honestly, it kind of looks the same. His skin looks a little bit irritated actually from that brush. But this is what they do, is they all do the exact same thing. It's this viral hook of pretending a gua sha is like, we could all lift one eyebrow and pretend that it's done something, you know? Like you could do it with anything. It's my lint roller. So look, oh my God, look at this eye, hooded eye. You know, like do this. And then look at the difference. Isn't that crazy? Look at this eye. Oh my God, like this is all they're doing and it's so annoying. A gua sha just doesn't do that. I love gua sha. I love doing gua sha. Just to like kind of like lymphatic drainage is nice. And you do see a fair bit of difference in one go, but it doesn't lift up your eyebrows, doesn't move muscle around. It's not gonna lift everything up like this. It's not, otherwise people would just be doing this every single day instead of getting surgery to lift up their face, you know? This is what annoys me about TikTok shop sellers. Not all of them, just some of them, is the fake use of the product. They're not fucking using these products, they're just not. The reason we see an influx of all these TikTok shop sellers using the same product is because the brand launches a product or launches a new good commission with that product, so everybody wants to sell it. Somebody actually left a comment on one of my TikToks where I was saying how fucking annoying this is. They were like, the brands actually tell us exactly what to do if you're getting loads and loads of views and how to get more views and how to create that shocking visual hook to begin with. And then if you sell more, the brand will give you a bonus. So that's why people are so desperate to sell these products, because their only income maybe is their full-time job and then these affiliate links from TikTok shop. So they are desperate to make this commission. It's like they're playing influencer. I know that sounds really bad, but they're acting how I think they think influencers should act or how they think influencers sell stuff. And it just baffles me how a lot of these people aren't embarrassed to just get on TikTok and lie and fake results that we know aren't possible. Okay, last one, I'm gonna be doing a deep dive on this brand because it is driving me absolutely insane.
Exposing the overhyped Korean skincare from Sephora I'm never rebuying, and the affordable product outperforming all of them.
Glow Recipe Avocado Eye Cream, 3 out of 10, cute packaging, 0 results. Irritation? Yes. Dark circles? Still here. Laneige Sleeping Mask, 5 out of 10. It's iconic until you wake up with bumps. Occlusive, heavy, and not for sensitive skin girlies. Dr. Jart Pore Remedy Serum, 3 out of 10. No pores were remedied, only sticky, tight, and wearily drying. Too harsh. Solwasu First Care Serum, 4 out of 10. I wanted to love it so badly. The bottle is luxury, the experience is luxury, but for this price, the results should be insane. My skin looked the same or sometimes even duller. The one outperforming all of it, GU Toner Pads. These do what Sephora's expensive Korean skincare promises to do. Hydrate deeply, brighten evenly, calm instantly, smooth texture without irritation. Every time I use them, my skin looks like I slept 12 hours and drank 3 liters of water.
They're cheaper on Amazon. No idea why TikTok isn't screaming about them yet.
Did you notice? Obviously that was AI, right? We all know that was AI. People in the comments on that video didn't realize it was AI at all. And I commented, and I think they deleted my comment. I was like, how does nobody realize this is AI? So this GU brand is everywhere on TikTok in the weirdest way. Again, they are always involved in these AI videos, these fake countdowns, these carousels that like best and worst Korean skincare. It's always really badly rated products, and the GU is like 1,000 out of 10. And it doesn't make sense. The only people talking about this brand on TikTok are the people trying to sell it through Amazon. First of all, those pads aren't available in Sephora. They're available on Amazon and some kind of like marketplace type shops. It feels all very drop shippy to me. But also, let's go through what she was saying about these products, right? And I'll keep personal opinion out of it. I don't know if Glow Recipe even sell that product anymore. Yeah, I don't think they even make that avocado eye cream anymore, so I don't know why they're even talking about it. That Laneige one is super lightweight. They say it's super occlusive and it's just not. That's not even right. That Dr. Jart Pore Remedy one isn't sticky or tight or drying whatsoever. It's a PHA, so it's a super gentle exfoliant. It just feels like a normal serum. And that GU is a load of bullshit. And we'll get into that in another video. So yes, I hope that was interesting. Do keep tagging me in things over on TikTok or on Instagram as well. They make me laugh and I find them so fascinating, and I'm going to be doing more of these like worst of beauty TikTok videos. Just a casual one today. I hope you had a great holiday season and new year as well, and I'll see you next time.